Greetings from Mithi. Welcome to a series of self-learning videos on understanding and using Sky Connect, the most secure, scalable, and dependable email solution. In this video, let's learn how to manage tasks. Tasks are activities or work you have assigned to yourself or that someone else has assigned to you. They have a due date, but typically no particular time associated with it. For example, you can consider a task as a project to do. You can decide the deadline or due date to complete this project. Now, to complete this project, create a list of things to do. Let us consider a scenario. You have been given the responsibility to hire 10 new employees in your organization. So hiring 10 new employees is a task assigned to you. To complete your task, you can create a to-do list so that you won't miss anything, such as decide criteria for employees, publish an advertisement in a newspaper, job search engines and other sources, participate in job fair, collect resumes, shortlist resumes, arrange interviews, shortlist candidates, arrange final technical and HR interviews, issue offer letters to selected candidates, perform joining procedure for all new joiners. Sky Connect allows you to manage your task and task lists easily. The content area of the task screen is divided into 3 areas: the tasks itself, the tags, and the task list pane. The right pane shows a list of the task items that match the current selection of active lists, filters, and tags. The listed tasks are sorted by due date in the ascending order, and the completed ones are moved to the bottom. Some basic editing like flagging, assigning a due date, as well as completing tasks can be directly done in the list by clicking the checkbox, the flag icon, or the date selector. A single click anywhere else on the taskbar displays all details in a dialog box. Press the Escape key on the keyboard or click the Close icon to hide the dialog box. Double clicks open the Click Task item for full detail editing. Use the quick filters above the list to refine the listed tasks according to their status or due date. The tags listed on the left is another way to display a selection of tasks. Click a tag to only display tasks with this tag assigned. Click it again to show all. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard to select multiple tags. Use the toggle switch in the Tasks List box to control where the tasks from the list are displayed. Clicking the Quick View icon will show the tasks from that list. Click it again to turn off the Quick View mode and return to the regular display of active lists. You can create any number of lists to store and manage all your tasks and name them individually. To create a task list, click the plus icon in the Task Lists box footer. In the dialog, give the new list a unique name. Click Save to create it. Select the task list to edit by clicking the name in the box. Click the gear icon in the box footer and select Edit from the Options menu. Adjust name and reminder settings in the Edit dialog. Click Save to finally update the list. To delete a task list, select the task list to edit by clicking the name in the box. Click the gear icon in the box footer and select Delete from the Options menu. After a confirmation dialog, the selected list with all its tasks will be deleted. Be careful and confirm the deletion, as this action cannot be undone. Now let's see how to manage the tasks. Click the New Task button in the toolbar to get an empty dialog, where you enter the task's properties like title, description, start or due dates, and reminder settings. Click Save to finally add it to the selected task list. The text box in the center of the toolbar area lets you add new tasks very fast by simply entering a title and then pressing enter on the keyboard. Tasks will be created in the currently selected list. Clicking a task item in the list will open a dialog showing its details. Click the Edit button to update all properties of the selected task. Update the summary details of the task. A title of the task which you will see in the list. Description is any text that describes the task. Assign a list of tags to this task. Add one by typing into the text box and press enter. Append a tag by pressing enter and continue typing to add more. Remove tags with a click on the remove icon. Specify the date and time the task is supposed to be worked on. Assign due dates to your tasks to not miss your deadlines. Enable reminder notifications for tasks. Define a time to set a reminder for your task. This will pop up with a notification at the specified time before the task is due. This indicates the completeness state of a task in percentage. Set a percentage value for a task's completeness. Until a task isn't fully completed, the percentage is displayed as a thick horizontal line in the list view. A task list is the list the task is saved in. Change it to move an event from one list to another. For bigger jobs or entire projects, tasks can be divided into subtasks and organized hierarchically to visualize dependencies. Open the Options menu of a task from the arrow icon on the far right of the taskbar. Select Add Subtask. Enter the subtask properties in the Edit dialog. Press Save to insert it. The hierarchical nesting of these tasks and subtasks can be changed at any time. Simply grab a task with the mouse and drop onto another one to make it a subtask. Drop a task onto the small bar on top of the tasks list to make it a main task again. While logged into the webmail, reminders about soon-to-be due tasks will be displayed with pop-up boxes at the specified time before the task is due. Enable or disable reminders in task list settings from the task lists. The search box above the calendar view lets you quickly get the list of events matching the entered keyword in either the title or the description text. Enter the search term into the box and press enter on your keyboard to start the search. After searching, you can still use the filters and tags as explained above to hide some results. Clicking the reset search icon on the search box will clear the search criteria. Usually, finished tasks are marked as complete. Open the Options menu of a task from the arrow icon on the far right of the taskbar. Select Delete. Click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. This way, you improve your productivity by creating and managing tasks using SkyConnect. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on Cloud Email Solution, subscribe to our YouTube channel, SkyConnect.